Hey y'all, it's Kai here, the chicken lady. Y'all guess what? This is one of the products that is sponsored for today's video by Flock Party. This is their Egg Maker Pellets. Y'all, I have never tried their Egg Maker Pellets, but we're gonna try them today. We're gonna ferment them for the girls and see how they love them. Then tomorrow I'll post a video to let y'all know how that went, because I know y'all wanna know. We're gonna talk about all the nutrients and all the goodies that the girls can get out of just eating fermented food every day. And it actually saves some money in your pocket too. So let's get into that. One of the great things about doing fermented food is improved digestibility. I can't even say that right, y'all. It's a tongue twister. Improved digestibility. It helps with gut health. It helps clean out all that nasty gunk that they don't need in their system, like parasites and all those things. And guess what? It actually helps produce natural probiotic. Yes, natural probiotic. Your girls need it. You don't have to go to the store and get that and this. You can do that by just fermenting it for your girls, and it makes a difference. So we're about to get into fermenting, and let's do that also. First, you're gonna wanna get a bucket. This one is a 5-gallon bucket. The cheapest one you can find at Lowe's or Home Depot. I fill it up to about the do it right. I know, it sounds so weird. Fill it up to the do it right. And then after you get it up about right there, then we're gonna add the Egg Maker Pellets. Y'all, I got a ways to go. I'm about to be singing my neck, my back. Let's improve our girls' gut health, you guys. We're gonna go ahead, get this open. And so what I did is I poured my water in between the do it right, and now I'm gonna pour my egg maker in there. And we're gonna let this ferment overnight, you guys, okay? And this isn't a big bag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the whole bag for them. And so that should be enough to last them tomorrow and Sunday, I think. Should be enough, I don't know. My girls eat a lot. Yeah, that's why y'all so spoiled. So after you do that, then you're gonna take your nice, clean arm. Get down in there, it's nasty. It's very nasty. You're gonna get down in there though. And if it don't look like that, then you ain't doing it right, okay? After you do that, make sure you shake it off real good. Shake it. And you should get a consistency like that. If you get a white frothiness at the top, you're doing it right, okay? After that, you're gonna get your lid. Make sure you get your lid when you buy your bucket, because you're gonna need it. Keeps all the flies and all the nasty pests out. And you put the top on, and you're good to go, and you're ready for tomorrow. So y'all let me know how your girls like fermented food. Let me know if you see a difference in your feed. And don't forget, check out Flock Party and get you some Egg Maker Pellets. Tell them Kai sent you. Later, y'all.